the all AI sounds the same cure. The first thing we want to do in ChatGPT or Claude is go to settings and train the AI about our business, what we're trying to do with it. Just copy this prompt here, and it's going to ask you when you put this prompt, which is what I will do right now. Just copy this. We want to be in the desktop app. So once you download Claude desktop app, you're going to open it, and this is what it's going to look like. It's going to have chat here, co-work, and code. For this, all we need to do is go to settings. But before that, we're going to ask in a new chat AI to ask us enough questions to understand our business. If you add an app called Whisperflow, if you download Whisperflow, you can get it to actually do voice to text. So you can talk to it and be even faster this way. So I'm running this right now, and it's going to start asking me questions to create this 200-word business profile I can paste into my Claude settings so it always knows the context. Because ultimately, we want to give it enough context to know what to do, just not too much either, because again, you're taking up memory. But it's going to read this particular context every single time because it's in settings in the account level. So for every single project that I work on, it's going to take it into account. So it's starting to ask me questions. Let's do this one question at a time. I'll keep it tight. First question: tell me what your business actually does and for who. Give me the version you'd say it aloud to someone at a dinner party, not the website copy. So it wants to know your particular tone of voice, the way you express yourself. And you're going to start answering and go from there. It's going to come up with what I have in my settings. So if you have this down here, your settings are in the bottom left corner where it says Alice in my case, and then go to settings. It's the same in ChatGPT, by the way. If you go in ChatGPT in the browser for Claude and ChatGPT, it's in the bottom left corner. And here in general, you're going to go to instructions for Claude, and you're going to put the summary, you're going to paste the summary that Claude gave you after all those questions. So who am I? What do I do? Where am I based? My priority client right now, my program, my goals, how to respond. This is really important. This is where you make it less AI centric, right? Like a human, not a content mill, no M dashes. No, it's not just X, it's Y. No, in today's fast-paced world. And then I also gave it my brand palette. That way it knows what colors to make documents for me. I gave it my social media too, because I'm probably going to ask it to start adding my links to different documents. And I can add more here. This is just kind of the bare minimum. I also gave it my voice: candid, honest, direct, warm, personable, empathetic. So it knows that I don't want to be a techie. I'm a business owner who wants to adopt tech to get shit done for my business. So I'm happy with this. I'm just going to close this now. And so now it's already set up with my voice, my business, and my brand. That's all it took. And you can keep adding to. Now, if you are running a solo business with offers, I added these like bonus questions from Alex Hormozy that he set up for AI. So again, these are questions that AI is going to ask you. You're just going to copy paste this into the prompt, a new chat, and it's going to start asking you what is your offer, your target customer, dream outcome, pain point. This is really great because especially if you're writing marketing content after, knowing all of this is really helpful. Your main competitors, your white space, it's really like very strategic way of talking about your business. So you can copy paste this prompt.